Hey everybody, it's me Sissy, and today we are going to do a tablescape for spring that'll carry us all the way to Mother's Day. And we're going to make some candle holders, and we're going to use these welcome, well, the flowers off the welcome sign and the candlestick. And for our vase, I've got this nice cylinder vase from Dollar Tree, and I wiped it off real good with alcohol. And we're going to be using this little candlestick to kind of prop it up a little bit. So let's
as I said, I went ahead and washed the vase and got all wiped it off with some rubbing alcohol and got all the oils off of it from my fingers. And I did the same with the two little candle sticks that we're going to use. And I'm just going to take the other little candlestick that has the little teardrops on it. I'm going to take those off. Little flowers, and we're just going to take the chain off of them. Okay, once I get these all prepped, I'm just going to take them outside and give them a good coat of spray paint. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. Okay, so we've got our vase. I spray painted it white and it's dry now. And the cute little candle holder I had to glue on the bottom. I had a little accident going down the stairs and outside, and I happened to break it. So we're just going to use a different candle holder. I just want to give it a little bit of height while it's on my table. You don't really have to add a candle holder if you don't want to. It just depends on how tall you want your arrangement to be. So I would put E6000 on here if you wanted this to be a permanent hole. I like to recycle this candle holder. It's one of my favorites. I got it at Goodwill. So I just use hot glue. I'm just going to center that on there and let it harden for just a second. And then we're going to stand our vase up. And see, that gives it height, makes it a little footed. And then I just have an assortment of 6 colors of paint here. And then I have a little red, pouncy, round paintbrush. And we are just going to put some dots on here. Candlestick, and we're going to, I would again use E6000 if you wanted a permanent hold. I'm just going to use hot glue for the purpose of this video. Okay, and then we're just going to set our flower right down on there. So we got it glued together. We're going to put our candle in the middle, and then we're going to fold these leaves up to form a little candle cup. Okay. Okay, so we got that. And then these other leaves we're going to just raise just a little bit, and we're just going to take a wet paintbrush, and we're just going to streak on some paint, and then we're going to wipe it back off. y'all. The more I look at this vase, the less I like it. So I have got some white paint and a little bit of water, and I'm going to try to tone down this such bright color. So I'm putting a wash over it. Hopefully it will dry and kind of just mute those colors a little bit. Okay, so now we have our vase and it's looking a little bit better, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a bunch of spring flowers in here. These are all these florals came from Dollar Tree. Let me zoom y'all out a little bit. And these are the little butterfly decorations from Dollar Tree. Okay, for our napkins, we're just going to take a white napkin or whatever color napkin you want to use. Going to fold it in half, and then we're just going to pinch pleats in it. So down and up, all the way to the end. Okay, then we're just going to pinch it in the middle. Take a twist tie, pipe cleaner. I'm going to keep calling them twist ties. And we're just going to twist it around once or twice. And then we're just going to take a pencil or a glue stick, and you want to roll the pipe cleaner till it makes sort of a butterfly antenna shape. And then we're going to put those on our plate on our table. And I have, let me get this. You might have to squeeze your pleats a little bit to get them to stay fanned out. Okay, and I have these cute butterflies that I got at Dollar Tree. And I am just going to place those right on top and put them on my plate. So let's get the place setting all ready, and we'll take a look at it. So here's our table setting with the flower vase we made and the candlesticks. And I did the place setting with the charger plate. I got these at Michael's at Christmas clearance, but they had these in Dollar Tree sometime. And I had the little clear plastic plates from Dollar Tree with the polka dots on it. I hauled those the other day. And our napkins we did, and the cutlery from Dollar Tree also. And I added some little butterflies to the candlesticks and wine glasses. So that's it. That is my spring into Mother's Day tablescape, and I'll change it up a little bit for Mother's Day.